Tossed in garlic and olive oil, this air fryer summer squash is out of this world delicious. Hey, I'm Laura, and on my channel I share lots of simple recipes like this one, so if that's your jam, hit that red subscribe button. You and I get to cook together a couple times a week. So before we get cooking, I'm going to prep our summer squash, and you'll also want to preheat your air fryer for about 5 minutes at 380 degrees Fahrenheit. Preheating means that when you add your summer squash in your air fryer, the plate is nice and hot and it gets cooking right away. So I've already washed my summer squash, and I'm just simply going to trim the ends. So I'm gonna slice my summer squash in half, and now I'm gonna take the half and slice it in half again to create these half moon shaped slices. Now you can also slice it all through across the middle, however you like. And I'm slicing these about 1/2 inch thick. You don't have to be super precise, but you do want your slices to be about the same thickness so they all cook evenly in the air fryer. To season these, I'm going to grab my summer squash and add them into a large bowl. And next, I'm going to drizzle it with some olive oil. And of course, I'm going to season it with some salt, garlic powder, and some Italian seasoning. And I'm just going to take a spoon and toss it all around until all the summer squash is nicely seasoned. Sometimes I take some Parmesan cheese and sprinkle it all over the squash, and it gives it a little bit of a cheesy, salty taste that's so good. But it's totally optional and you don't need it, but it's delicious. By the way, all the ingredient amounts to this recipe are gonna be right below the video for you, so you have them handy. Now the air fryer is nice and hot, so now I'm ready to grab my summer squash and I'm gonna dump it all in here. There is a lot, as you can see, but don't worry, you're gonna shake out that basket in the middle of cooking so they'll all be good and cooked evenly. Now all you have to do is slide your air fryer basket back in your air fryer. We're gonna cook these at 380 degrees for a total of 9 minutes or so. Somewhere halfway through cooking, I open my air fryer basket, get everything a good shake, and close it and keep cooking it to the end. Now, sometimes if you have a lot of squash like I did, you need about 2 more minutes, and that's totally okay. Just open your air fryer and check them for doneness. If you like crispy edges, put them back in and add a minute or 2 more. Check it out. It's golden, looks so good. And from the air fryer, you can serve it or you can put it in a serving tray, just like that. So good. It's soft, really well seasoned, and you can taste that Parmesan cheese. Grab the amounts to this recipe below the video and let me know how you enjoy it. See you next time.